Hi guys, Diane here. Today I just wanted to spend a couple of minutes talking to you about what you need to level up your business when you're not quite sure what you really need. A lot of people come to me knowing that they're frustrated with the way that their business is running, that the way that, balls are being dropped. They're frustrated with their team. They're tired of running around, chasing down various members of their team to figure out what is really happening, to get updates on projects. They're finding that projects are falling to the wayside. They're starting a lot of things, but nothing really gets completed because they get lost in the day to day. So, this creates a lot of frustration for a lot of the clients that I work with and then people that I just come across. Um, and what do you need to do to figure out what is it that you need? Because a lot of times when these people come to me, they're not sure what they need. They just know that they need to clean something up or do something to their business so that they can continue to, leverage themselves out of the day to day, be less of a manager in their business and be more of a CEO. They want to spend more time with their families. They want to spend more time doing what they love and less time working in the actual business. They want to spend more time, focused on bigger opportunities that are coming their way, but they can't do that because they're busy being a manager, managing all of the things in their business. This is actually a pretty common scenario that I see with a lot of business owners. And a lot of times, what you really need to do is reevaluate where you are in your business. Where are the areas that you're feeling discontent, right? Where are things feeling like they're not really working? And then what are your goals? What is it that you want to do? So that you can kind of figure out, like, you can start to piece together what the two components are that you need to really start to make those changes to meet your goals. And a lot of times, what I find with a lot of people that I end up working with is that they are dissatisfied with the way that their business is working. They have teams, but their teams have been kind of running on their own, a little bit disjointed. They don't have a lot of standardized systems and processes. Quality is an issue. The high touch services that they really offer to their clients are an issue. There's lots of projects that are being started, but they're never really going anywhere. Those are all the issues. And a lot of times, these people really want to have more free time. They want to have more freedom. They want to continue to grow and pursue a lot of opportunities that are being presented to them, but they're afraid that they don't actually have the infrastructure or the team in place to meet those big new opportunities. So, what you really need in this case is you need to evaluate your core team members and the core roles within your team in order to create more time, in order to leverage, in order to be the CEO, in order to do what you love. You have to have a core team member who is your right hand, who is the person that you can kind of hand off your big ideas, your big new opportunities, your big goals, your team, your day-to-day team management. You have to have that right-hand person that you can kind of hand those pieces off to and will parcel it down to the rest of your team. That's how you remove yourself from being a manager. So this role is sometimes called the administrator. It's sometimes called your operations manager, your business manager, your COO, and I've even heard this referred to as your executive assistant, your rock star assistant, whatever it is you want to call it. You really need to have someone within your team that you can funnel everything to, right? And then they become the manager within your business. And that is how you actually create more leverage in your business. That's how you get out of the day-to-day management. That's how you create better standards. This is how you systemize. This is how you are able to make sure that the projects that are being implemented are actually being seen through, because this role is really focused on making sure that the day-to-day operations are continuing to run, that the team is managed so that anyone has a question, anyone has an issue, they are escalated to this person, who is your administrator, your business manager, your operations manager. And then also they are there to manage, plan, execute your projects, make sure that they're all hitting the milestones. And then they're there to also track all of the metrics around all of this. So to make sure that everything is running in a really systematic format, that things can be efficient, and then they put those systems in place to hit those key metrics. So if you are feeling frustrated within your business, if you're feeling like balls are getting dropped, if you're feeling irritated with your team, if you're tired of running around trying to get status updates from all of the various players on your team, and you want to explore the bigger opportunities that are being presented to you, you want to sign those bigger clients and you feel really safe and secure and in control when you do so, then you really need to reevaluate the core members and roles within your team. And I want to say about 75% of the time, this is the key role that's missing, that administrator, that right hand person that you can kind of push everything off to. They parcel it all out, and then they are your one go-to person for you to collect updates. So you only have one resource that you are really managing, and then that resource manages more people below them, the rest of your team below them. So does this resonate with you? Are you ready to make some big changes in your team so you can sign those bigger clients so that you can work on those big opportunities, those next iterations in your business? If so, drop me a comment and let me know what you think. And feel free to reach out to me. I always love talking with you guys, and I'm always happy to brainstorm and share feedback. Until next time, this is Diane. Bye.